Hey there! Today we're tackling a tricky problem involving bare metal programming for microcontrollers. The problem lies in a contradiction found in the startup code provided by a vendor for a commodity MCU. The code seems to violate GCC's naked attribute guidelines by declaring local variables within a reset ISR, where the stack pointer is not initialized. But how is this possible? Let's dive into the solution to unravel this mystery. The solution to our problem lies in understanding the specifics of a reset ISR and how it differs from a regular function. In the context of a reset ISR, the stack pointer is not yet initialized, making it crucial to handle local variable declarations with caution. As we saw in the example provided, manually setting the stack pointer in the ISR and declaring local variables like in x equals 123 can lead to unexpected behavior due to the compiler rearranging code execution. To avoid mishaps, it's best practice to refrain from declaring local variables within the reset ISR to prevent unpredictable outcomes. In summary, we explored the intricacies of handling local variables within a reset ISR for microcontrollers. By adhering to the unique constraints of a reset ISR, we can ensure the smooth execution of code without encountering unexpected issues. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!